Today we are going to solve this equation to find x and y. Solution: x plus y equal to 10, xy equal to 50. From this equation we are going to find y. So x plus y equal to 10, y equal to 10 minus x. We are going to apply this y in this equation. So x 10 minus x equal to 50. Now multiply this 10x x square equal to 50. Now minus x square plus 10x minus 50 equal to 0. Multiply this equation with minus 1. So x square minus 10x plus 50 equal to 0. Now we know that a equal to 1, b equal to minus 10, c equal to 50, x equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. X equal to minus 10 plus or minus square root of minus 10 square minus 4 times of 1 into 50 by 2 times of 1. X equal to 10 plus or minus, this is 100 minus 200 square root of by 2. X equal to 10 plus or minus square root of minus 100 by 2. Now x equal to 10 plus or minus square root of 100 times of minus 1 in square root by 2. Now x equal to 10 plus or minus, the square root of 100 is 10, this is I by 2. Now x equal to, going to take 2 common out, 2 times of 5 plus or minus 5i by 2. This 2 cancels this, so we have x equal to 5 plus or minus 5i. This is x1 equal to 5 plus 5i, comma, x2 equal to 5 minus 5i, y equal to 10 minus x, y1 equal to 10 minus 5 plus 5i. This y1 equal to, now this is 5 plus 5i. Here y equal to 10 minus x, y2 equal to 10 minus 5 minus 5i. Here y2 equal to 5 minus 5i. Now x1 y1 equal to 5 plus 5i, comma 5 minus 5i. x2 y2 equal to 5 minus 5i comma 5 plus 5i. So to check this, the equation x plus y equal to 10. Now 5 plus 5i plus 5 minus 5i equal to 10. This plus 5i cancels, minus 5i. So we have 5 plus 5 equal to 10. So 10 equal to 10. So LHS equal to RHS. Now xy equal to 50. Now 5 minus 5i times of 5 plus 5i equal to 50. A minus b, a plus b equal to a square minus b square. So 5 square minus 5i square equal to 50. Now 5 square is 25 minus, this is 5 square, I is square root of minus 1, this is square equal to 50. Now 25 open bracket 25, this cancels this, so times of minus 1 equal to 50. Now this is 25 minus 25 equal to 50. Now 25 plus 25 equal to 50. 50 equal to 50. So LHS equal to RHS. That's verified.